This is Micah and Mavi, and we're training them to work around each other. The reason why we're using targets is that if they're sitting on the target, they're less hip to try and play with each other. They're very young dogs. Micah's way under a year. Mavi's a little bit over 6 months maybe. So this is the first step in getting them to... listen, I tried walking them together. I can walk these dogs with older dogs that are trained like Ike or Tonka, but walking them together, it was insanity. So they need to learn to work around each other, and that's what we're doing. So we're working on just a long sit. After this, we'll probably work a long down. But we do it the same way that we do it with one dog. I'll walk around the house. They need to stay on these targets. It doesn't matter where I go. They need to learn that they need to stay on the targets. So it's Micah and Mavi. Micah, knock it off. Look at Mavi. Mavi always looks like Mavi's angry. Look at Mavi. They don't look alike, do they? See how Mavi's coming off the, there you go, sit. See how Mavi was coming off the target? Mavi needs to stay on the target, so does Micah. We won't keep them here too long. We want to do multiple sessions. We want to do a lot of sessions, not just one long one.